Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Center at Hurstville in Sydney. And you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route for 5 times at least without any mistake, and I'm sure you will get the driving license in one go. So let's go for the driving test now. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will find many other driving test route video. Please watch those videos also. So let's go on the driving test. So guys, this is the parking space for Service NSW. If you are appearing for the driving test, you need to park here. It is in the basement. So see, this is the Service NSW Center at Hurstville, and see this one. So you need to park on that side. Starting now the driving test. So go straight and take left on the Park Road. So give the left indicator and check the traffic coming from the right side. It is a busy road, so, and this is a one-way traffic. Go straight and then we will take left on the Queen's Road from these traffic lights. So give the left indicator and take left on the Queen's Road. So you can take either lane 1 or lane 2. So keep going straight and we will be continuing slightly right to the Forest Road. So keep going straight. So from this traffic light we will go straight. So we will go straight. So keep going straight. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 60 km here. So keep going straight. It will be better if you drive at the lane number 2, because lane number 1 sometimes people park on the road, so you will be always required to change the lanes. So keep going in the lane number 2. So now, because there is a car, we will change the lane to the left lane and give the left indicator. Check all the mirrors, check over the shoulder on your left side, and again you can change the lane to the right lane and do the same thing. Check all the mirrors, check over the shoulder on your right side. So we will go straight on this set of lights. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will be finding many other driving test route in the other Service NSW centers in Sydney as well as outside. So go straight from this traffic lights. So if the car is merging, let's say, then you have to give way, and so that there is no accident or any kind of things. So we will turn right on the Cambridge Street and don't park here. Now take turn right and you have to give way to the traffic coming from the front. So when all the traffic is clear, then you can turn right. So now we can turn right. There is no traffic, so we can turn right. So this is a 50 zone area. Go straight. Don't drive close to the other car because anybody can exit out of the car and you may hit the car. So keep driving straight. Keep driving straight. He may ask you to do the curbside parking. Give the left indicator and we will park behind that blue car. Check all the mirrors and take the car close to the curb. Don't hit the curb. So when you are close to the curb, then you can park and make sure all the tires are straight, and put up the handbrake, turn off the engine, and then tell the instructor that yes, you have parked. So when he will say yes, okay, that's fine. So then you can go ahead and give the right indicator, put up the car in the drive mode, pull down the handbrake, check all the mirror, check over the shoulder on your right, and then you can start driving. We will go straight from this roundabout. You have to give way to the traffic coming from the right side on the roundabout. So go straight. So we will do the reverse park behind this car. Give the left indicator. You need to park parallel to this car. Check all the mirrors. Put up the reverse gear, and you can slowly reverse the car. Keep looking all the mirrors. Keep looking all the mirrors. Keep looking all the mirrors. Make sure that your tires are all straight and stop when you are able to see the rear wheel of the car in front of you. And then put up the car in the parking. Pull the handbrake and turn off the engine and tell the instructor that you have done the parking. Yes, you have done successfully the reverse parking. So now he will say let's move, and put up the car in the drive mode, pull down the handbrake and give the right indicator, check all the mirrors, check over the shoulder also, and you can start driving if there is no car coming from behind. So keep going straight. Now take left on the Clarence Street. Give way on the roundabout. So go straight. And now we will turn left on the Cardia Street. So this is a stop sign. Very important to note down because you have to completely stop for 3 seconds. Check the traffic on both the sides. When it is all good, then you can go ahead. So keep following the road. And now there is a school zone. So if you are giving the test in the school zone timing, which is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m., then you have to follow the school zone timing. And keep the speed under 40. So if you exceed the speed over 40, then you will straightaway fail in the exam. So there is a hump coming and it is a pedestrian crossing. The speed should be 25 and you need to give way to the pedestrian. So keep going straight, and there is a speed camera coming. So it is a variable speed camera, which means under the school zone it will be 40, otherwise it is a 60. So keep driving straight and we will take left on the forest road. So there is a hump, you have to slow down. So give the left indicator, check the traffic on the right side, and you have to give way to the traffic coming from the right side. It is a busy road, so don't get nervous. So when it is all clear, then we can go on the left. So now it is a end of school zone, which is now 60 limit. So keep going straight. So we will go straight on this set of light. So keep going straight. So keep going straight. Don't cross on the other side of the double lane, otherwise also you will fail immediately in the exam. So keep going straight. Drive in the lane 2 as people park sometime on the lane 1. So otherwise you will be keep on changing the lane all the time. So you keep driving in the lane number 2. So keep going straight. Make sure that you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route for 5 times without any mistake, and you will get the driving license in one go. So now we will take right on the Dore Street. So give way to the traffic coming from the front and take right. Keep going straight, and there is a pedestrian crossing, and zigzag mean pedestrian in this area, so you have to keep the speed less than 40. So give way to the pedestrian and keep going straight. Keep going straight, and don't drive on the left side. It is a bus only lane. Don't drive that one. And this is a very confusing traffic light, so don't go straight because there is a no entry. You have to turn slightly left, and right side also it is an entry only for the buses. So follow the way the cars are going, so take left. Keep going, and yes, now you are back at the service NSW Hurstville. So thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.